My name is Minh Hu'ng Pham, but people always call me Zin Cat. I'm a marketing student. This year is my final year, so I just submit my dissertation, and my supervisor, she is so friendly and she helped me a lot. When you need some advice, you just contact with your supervisor. They will help you their best. Right now, we have a Vietnamese society for the Vietnamese people. So if they want to go to university for studying, they can contact with us and we support them. Our mission for the Vietnamese society is want to connect Vietnamese people to the international students and the local people, and we want to promote our culture to the international students.